Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV, cause I just a blessing, manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
Okay, so if you caught that first part of the live, good on you, because I'm not repeating myself a while ago. But yeah, so I had so Jonathan natural birth, but it was still painful. Then Jaleel had Jaleel, and Jaleel was a trip. Both my pregnancies mentally was draining, as I was saying before, and I'm holding with my hands so I can know that I need to stop because I can't talk forever. Because of the miscarriage that we had before, I was saying that I've never seen my husband cry, and when I saw him crying, I was just like, oh no, God, you did not just make this happen. I was very, very upset, and that fear, whenever we get pregnant, has not left me since the first time that we had the miscarriage. It just hasn't left me. So every single time, so whenever I'm pregnant, it's just, oh gosh, I just hope this child make it. And with Jaleel was a different case, because with Jaleel I started to bleed. It's all in my vlog. I vlogged everything. And yeah, so that was scary. So I had him via emergency C-section, and it had to be done so quickly that while they were still wheeling me into the room to get the operation done, I was like practically naked. They were ripping the green thing off of me, scrub or whatever it name. So while I was being wheeled in, like my boobs were outside, and it was just a horrible experience. It really was a horrible experience. And then after I had Jaleel, I couldn't see him for about 2 to 3 days, because I had to have him down the nursery because he was born so small, so everybody thought he was premature. Then him did yellow, so them say him have jaundice, and it was just a scary thing. I had on nails at the time, and with you, they don't want you to wear, they them tell you cut off your nails and stuff, but because everything for me was emergency, and my nails were long. I wear long nails. My nails were long, and they had rhinestones all over them. I think those were my Christmas. What did I do? I think those are my summer nails or something. But my nails were long and full of rhinestones, like all 10 fingers. And I couldn't, when I went into the room to hold him for the first time, like the nurse see me and she pulled him back. One month of bad word come on my mind for tell her, come I said, this dirty girl, she not even understand half of what I go through. So that was scary. If you hear something, I have the egg boiling and I have water going for the kettle. Yeah, so finally, holding him, and I'm like, yo, he's tiny. But all my children are born tiny. Jonathan was born pre-size. I know Jaleel come born pre-size. So after I had Jaleel, a month after, I started going to the hill. So you can call it a workout. But I started going to the hill. I have 8 of you on here. You don't know, go work. Anyway, so I started to go to the hill after a month. And, there were a lot of concerns. Even my pastor, she messaged me. She's like, Auntie Carrie, she's like, Simone, have you cleared it with your doctor? Are you okay? Because everybody knew the trauma that still it's so natural. Like, you have work, I'm sure you have work, but me I try to talk loud so they can just put me down and go on do the thing I saw. But yes, even she was asking me if it's okay, and I told her yes. I spoke to Dr. Bamberry, which, by the way, if I'm ever going to have my child in Jamaica, I'm so going to be using Dr. Bamberg again. The only unfortunate thing is he's by UA. But he just made the journey easier for me. It was a horrible experience. It really was. So started going back to the hill. Just a month after Jaleel. And then I was big. And me being that big, in my mind, I was thinking, I'm never going to lose this weight. that was honestly what I was thinking. I'm never going to lose this weight. So to see where I am now, for me, it's shocking. I think it's shocking for you guys. For me, it is shocking because in my mind, I felt like I was going and hitting against a wall. I struggled with eating, and I did intermittent fasting. So I struggled with eating like bad things and like bad things, sugary stuff, sodas. I'd have a Pepsi every day. It was a struggle. My friend DeAndre kept on saying, look how you get mad, look how you get mad. I'm like, DeAndre, one out of this, I'm clearly as big as a Buick. I'm a big woman. So to see where I'm now, for me, is an accomplishment. Now, granted, if you know anything about Simone Lyric Henry, I'm very hard on myself. And it's not by design. It's just how my life has gone. And even German was saying it to me yesterday. He said, babe, because I'm very direct with when I speak exactly what's in my head. I'm unfiltered most days. And he said, for how I grew up, maybe I needed that to survive. I needed to be unfiltered to survive. So because of that, it has just been a part of me. But being married now with children, I have to be learning how to taper what I say with more grace, and I'm still learning that. And I've faltered so many times. Still even message to Jeremy and say, boy, babe, I don't think I want to be on the worship team anymore, because my words, and I'm like, I just can't control my words. If you guys are off, I'm gonna tell you, if the musician now does something, I'm gonna look across and cut my eye. That's I just feel like I'm very flawed. And even like with the gym, when I say I need the gym because the gym helps me mentally. I think it's the one thing that I have like control over, because I'm doing this for me. I'm not doing this because I have to pick a song so that somebody can be ministered to, or I have to get some investments to buy a belt so that the girls can have something to do. I'm doing this for me. Everything is for me, So I feel like with this, with the gym, like I need it on a different level. It's not for the endorphins or to feel good. Like I need it. But yeah, it has not been easy at all for me. I have fallen so many times off track, and that's why I'm sharing everything I'm doing with you. I shared when I did Flat Tummy Tea, and that I did in TLC. I'm sharing it with you because when I ask me, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to be honest with you now. I'm going to tell you what I do. Is it me? A couple years ago when I had gotten slim, not a rumor didn't start, but a couple people were convinced that I had my body done. I mean, girl, had my body done at what time, for how much money? Before I go do my body, girl, I go buy a Benz. You know how much for the body? Body expensive. You see me? So I want to show everything that I'm doing so that there'll be no question of how I did it. It's work. It takes work. Whatever you're doing, it takes work, and it does take sacrifice. But I don't want you guys to give up midway because you're not seeing results, because I wasn't seeing results a couple months back when I just started. I still felt big. I couldn't go up the hill. My belly was out to here. And I was very embarrassed. And I'm even wearing the same gym clothes I wore back then. Well, these ones that you see like with the sleeves, these ones were ones I bought a year before, I bought it. I'm like, yeah, girl, gym. And then I had gotten pregnant. I put them on for a year. And now to see where I am, it's inspiring for me, and it's teaching me to don't give up. Because one thing with Simone, I run a lot, and then I take nothing for cut off somebody. I run a lot. I will see you and ignore you. That's just how it is. I'm not saying it's good. I need for change, but I run a lot. You see me? So if something not work, I'm out. If I'm getting hurt, I'm done. It's how I handle things. And again, everything is stemming from childhood or whatever. But I'm saying all this to say, we're all on a journey. You cannot take me as a marker and say that more, because you have no idea what it took for me to get here, that I'm not sharing on social media, that I'm not being open with. No idea. What I'm showing you is what I think you need to just push forward. That's what I'm sharing with you. I'm a real person with real issues, Oh, I wish I could tell you how true my issues are right now. When I say that my husband and I, we've prioritized gym, it was a big step to prioritize gym. And because he saw how much I needed it, him see more than I mean. You see me? So hopefully I can save this and put it up to something like it can stay up on my page. That's what I wanted to do, but that's what I wanted to tell you guys. It has been a journey. It still is a journey. Not going to the gym for a week. I've lost some muscle mass, so working back up to it now, and I still struggle with eating, so I need to supplement my proteins, which is what I'll be doing. So thank you for your support, and whatever it is, you guys, you know, all the time I say, Lyric, you can do it. Lyric, don't be so hard on yourself. We're all hard on ourselves. Every single one of us, because we have a standard, and if we don't get to that standard, then we feel like we failed, especially for, you know, creatives, people like me who don't have a traditional 9 to 5, and then it extends itself to mothers who have children who we have to make that example for. You know, I'm raising 2 boys. I'm at Jonathan, so I'm 5. I'm going to know for cook, boil water, do egg, open car door, them something, because I want my sons to be just the direct representation of Jesus here on earth. And I'm going to prep them. I'm going to be like, it's because you have taken this stance, it's not going to be easy for you, but mommy's here. And any girl named girl, any boy named boy, think say, call your father first, because your father, and then call mommy. For 2 we have. Definitely the ground we walk on. But yeah, this is it. Oh, you guys have been talking. Jesus God. Okay, hold on. So I finished talk. I'm just going to go get in ready. Remember, unfiltered. So proud of you. Stay strong. Take your time. You do motivate me every day. I started working out in December and I seeing results. Good job. We need more people like you in the world. Oh God. God really sends you starting sharing your fitness life with us, saving lives. Wow, for once I'm not giving up. Wow. Oh, Faith, you're truly beautiful soul. Wow. I just don't want you guys to say, like, when I get to my goal, I don't want you guys to feel like it's not possible. Because even though I'm saying when, I'm like, bruh, it's December. Like, I wanted like a shoot and everything for November for my birth in December. I'll be 35 years old. And I have so much planned already, you know. But guys, let's all stay strong. Let's all stay focused. And when you do feel like you want to give up, just step back. Reevaluate, reassess, and come back. So I'm going to try and save this. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. So I'm going to try and save this and have it on my page, like to put up. And I'll talk to you guys another time. And thanks for your support. 1,500 of you. Thank you. More dry. Cannot work.